I'm Dr. Rachel Serecero, and I am a dental surgeon. I've studied in Loma Linda University, which is one of the best universities to study dental implantology. I have studies of dental grafts, dental implants, aesthetics, and prosthetics. What I love the most, basically, is changing lives. Seeing the before and after of a patient, watching their smile and telling me that this is their dream come true. My 95% of patients are from the States, Alaska, and Canada. We treat them right. They see our facilities. We have from tomography to CAD/CAM system. In the States, I belong to the AAID, which is the American Academy of Implant Dentistry. We are invited to several events year-round. The patient can expect direct treatment from us. We will explain each procedure that needs to be done step by step, and that they can be 100% sure that they will receive a very human treatment as friends and family, because at Premium Dental, that's very important for us.